Hello and welcome to LearnQuickBooksFree.com by Meganich University, where that's right, we have created totally free QuickBook tutorial videos just for you. And welcome back to QuickBooks for property managers or property management companies to be official. In this segment, we're going to pretty much cover AR, aka accounts receivable, aka when you get paid. So what we'll do, it's pretty standard stuff. We've actually shown some of this stuff in our standard video, so it's not a whole lot too different. How to set up the invoice, showed you a little bit of that earlier. How to receive that payment, and how to set up credits and refunds. So let's get cracking to it. So customer, create invoice, and we're gonna say for this one it is for unit number 101, and we like to invoice in the beginning of the month, right? That's when rent is due, let's say. Remember class tracking, property 1. And so this is going to be rental income. We got to create a new item. I'm going to call it rental income. It's basically a service. It's not really an inventory, right? You know, the house is kind of inventory, but it's not. And we're going to put this under rental income for the chart of accounts that we already set up in a previous video. Hit OK. And so let's just say the monthly is $1,500. Don't worry about the tax over here. This was used on another example, so it's not taxable. So let's say rent is $1,500, and under class you'll see that it defaulted over here to number 1. So I'm gonna hit, actually before I hit save and new, I'm gonna kill two birds with one stone over here. I'm gonna do Control M on my keyboard. Control M. It's the same thing as if I went to edit and memorize invoice. And so this is going to be unit 101, monthly. The next one is going to be December because this was November. And I've just memorized it. So if I go over here to list, memorize transactions, you'll see that unit 101. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. And there you go. Okay. So now I'm going to hit save and new. Over here I'm going to pick unit 102, property 2, and rent back to rental income. Yep, property 2 under class over here. And amount, this one is going to be $1,400. Non-taxable as well. I'm also gonna Control M this. Control M. Weird, it's not letting me to Control M. Any reason? I don't know, but this is also monthly. Next one is also December. Hit OK. Save and close. Okay, now that we've created the invoices, customer receive payments. Bring up unit 101, $1,500 paid with a check. Yeah, I went into your bank account that you created. Once again, this is all pretend stuff, so don't worry so much about what you see. Is the idea behind it. Save and new. Unit number 102. Also got that 1,400. Okay. In case you do need to give some kind of refund, you go to customer. Where is it at? Credit memo, where are you? I cannot see you, you are hiding. Wow, I must be losing it, you guys. Here we go. I'm getting old and senile. In any case, so here we go, same thing, unit 102. It's Christmas, you wanted to give him $100 back for rental income. I don't know, whatever the reason may be. Of course, you can create items and everything that's specific towards what you're talking about. And once you do the $100, you could give a refund cutting a check, or you could use credit to apply to future invoice. So either way, up to you. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just going to hit clear. But that gives you the idea of how to do that. And that wraps up accounts receivable. And look forward to the next video. And that concludes this lesson. You can visit our website at www.learnquickbooksfree.com to watch more videos.